Hi guys, my name's Kudzai and welcome to Silicon Sunday. Here at Silicon Sunday, we're all about tech. So if you enjoy learning about the latest and greatest tech, then please remember to hit the subscribe button below. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Huawei P40 Pro. It's a phone that I've been waiting on for a long time and I can't wait to get my hands on it. Are you guys ready? Right, let's get right into it then. Right, the moment that you've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and just open the box up and get my hands on that P40 Pro. And there it is. It's a beautiful, beautiful phone. Well made, well designed. And really, the only word I can use to describe it is premium. This phone feels premium. So as you can see, I went and got myself the Silver Frost version. The other two colors that are available are black and blush gold. So my question to you guys is, which color are you going to go for? Let me know in the comment section below. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch the phone on, and whilst it's switching on, we'll go ahead and look at what else is inside the box. Right, as you'd expect, you've got your SIM pin, you've got your power adapter, you've got your USB Type-C charging / data cable, and last but not least, you've got your USB Type-C official Huawei earphones. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set the box aside, and we're going to focus our attention back on this beautiful, beautiful phone. This phone has a 6.58-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Now that 90 Hz refresh rate is going to come in handy when it comes to gaming and streaming videos and content. I do a lot of video gaming on my phone. Right, I mainly play Call of Duty Mobile, but I play a lot of it. And I also watch a lot of Netflix, Now TV, and YouTube. So that 90 Hz refresh rate is not lost on me, trust me. But you guys let me know what you think of the P40 Pro. And do remember to hit that subscribe button and like or dislike this video. Either way, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys in the next video where I'm going to take you lot through the P40 Pro.